MUSC right now is the only place that I know of in the world that has a specific digital dentistry residency. And with the implementation of 3D printers, with mills, I've got all of this technology right at my fingertips.
It's a very exciting time to be in dentistry because technology is evolving so fast. After I joined MUSC, I realized that we had a lot of resources. Now we have access to a software very similar to the ones that the lab technicians use that would allow the students to design restorations or to plan more complex cases. We have two pieces of software that are new. So one of them is a design software for things that we do like on a daily basis, and a second piece of software that allows the treatment plan and the plan of final restoration for implants.
The impact of digital dentistry, I think we're going to get away from stone and plaster models just because it's not as efficient. It not only makes the process easier for the patient to understand, but it just speeds up the whole process.
For our students to have that experience, basically prepare them for their future jobs.
Dr. Rizzante is fantastic. He's always there, available for questions. It's kind of nice being a resident to get that one-on-one. We bounce ideas back and forth.
I think that's one of the blessings of being in academia, because there's always somebody who came with different ideas, different perspectives about things. You're constantly learning with the people that you interact with.